Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to draw a Porsche 911. First, let's begin by sketching the basic proportions. Imagine a long, low rectangle as your starting point. This helps establish the car's overall footprint. Then, draw a central horizontal line to guide your symmetry. Think about the wheelbase, which is roughly 2/3 of the total length, and the short front and rear overhangs. This foundational step is crucial for capturing the iconic stance of this legendary sports car. Now, let's bring out the distinctive features that make the 911 so recognizable. Gently sketch the iconic sloping roofline, flowing smoothly from the windshield to the rear. Emphasize the wide, muscular fenders that house the wheels. Next, outline the classic round headlights, positioned relatively low on the front. Don't forget the subtle air intakes and the clean, elegant lines for the side windows and doors. These elements truly define its timeless design. With the main body in place, it's time to focus on the details that add realism. Carefully draw the wheels and tires, ensuring they are perfectly circular and correctly sized within the wheel arches. The wheels are often about 1/3 the height of the car. Refine the body panels, adding subtle curves and creases that catch the light. Then, incorporate smaller elements like the sleek door handles, side mirrors, and the distinctive twin exhaust pipes at the rear. These small touches make a big difference. Finally, let's bring your drawing to life with shading and finishing touches. Use a soft pencil to apply gradual shading, creating depth and emphasizing the car's three-dimensional form. Pay attention to how light hits the surfaces, creating highlights and shadows. Vary your line weights, thicker lines for the underside and thinner lines for edges. Add subtle reflections on the windows and bodywork, and ground the car with a cast shadow. This adds a polished, professional look to your Porsche 911.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.